Every project starts with a vision. Robert called us into his office and expressed his desire to tell the story behind RWB's expansion and to highlight the partners and vendors that made it possible. As the digital media team, we were tasked with capturing that journey, coordinating with partners, curating shots, and telling the story of a team that makes the impossible real.
I met Robert about 15 years ago when he worked for Tyndale Construction. We have been working on numerous shops together throughout Florida. His skill set, his talents, his vision, his ability to make things happen have been amazing, and I think it's a good synergy together. We really get to accomplish a lot of exciting projects. We have done so many projects together, and we have been delighted to be included in his new office that is opening up in Hobe Sound.
This RWB showroom demonstrates the product, the design, and the look. So we're very pleased to have been a part of this. From a design point of view, the attention to all the details, the proportions, how you can take that design and turn it into reality through a construction process. From a point of view of design, shop drawings, manufacturing, installation, and then figuring out real life solutions that actually work, that can be constructed and end up with a beautiful product that meets all the standards. So working with the RWB team, we were pushed and encouraged to always figure out how to end up with the right product, the right design, and the right craftsmanship.
So when Robert came to us looking at his plans, we were in charge of laying out the spaces to be as useful as possible, showcasing as many products as possible, and also numerous finishes that would all go together without being repetitive or boring. So you have a commercial space that is raw and not inviting and then we have to make it into this unique, beautiful environment that you don't even recognize. It all goes away. We really got your attention by keeping your eyes down at room level and looking at all the beautiful finishes and surroundings. As we went through the plans, we identify how we would section off certain areas to highlight kitchens, bathrooms, closet designs, conference rooms, and just regular display units and office space too. In doing so, these spaces really came alive working with NEFF Cabinetry to create a very unique, very luxurious, high-end builder studio that is very much residentially focused.
When RWB approached us about the concept of the design center, we saw this as a great opportunity to extend our footprint outside of Palm Beach County. As the dedicated window and door company for RWB, we supplied a selection of their most commonly used products for display in their design center. At PBFH, we take pride in being hands-on throughout the process, curating solutions aligning with the scale and vision of each project. Working closely with our manufacturers, we have consistently pushed the limits of size, style, and cohesion to bring a unique style to the RWB projects.
Typically do all the millwork and the interior doors, and occasionally we'll do some specified rooms cabinetry. We've had real good fortune with Robert. He's been demanding, but very fair and always consistent with us. We've always stressed in our company precision and attention to detail. And I think that's part of our success with Robert, because I know he's always been very demanding in that aspect of his business. It has to be done right. It has to be precise. It has to meet the architect's intent. And it certainly has to meet Robert's eye for quality.
What makes us unique is the prep start to finish. You know, Robert and team, whether it be the designer, the homeowner, or Rob himself, you know, strive for perfection. And that's what we aim to give. The unwavering details, whether it be as small as caulk line, to the brush strokes being all in the correct alignment, to a sprayed finish. From preparation to the finished coat, we strive for perfection. And it's one thing about the design center, it's nice to be able to show the quality. So the quality you see here is the quality you're going to get in the house.
We're at the Ferguson showroom in West Palm Beach, Florida. We're a distributor of high-end appliances and plumbing fixtures to the builder and the trade. So we specialize in working with designers, architects, developers, and single-family home builders.
Ferguson provides the ultimate experience for any client that walks through the door. It allows them to visualize what they want to do in regards to their bathroom, their kitchen, their laundry room, where they're able to touch and feel the products and really get that full-on experience.
When RWB called us regarding their new design center up at Hobe Sound to help supply the Atlantic Fields project, we were happy to help assist them in some of the design and to help install the sub-zero refrigeration, Cove dishwashers, and many of the plumbing fixtures where clients can come in and actually visibly see the products that will go into the home.
So we wanted to make it very functional, but also have a nice spin on it that it's not typical. It's not like, here's a row of offices, here's your conference room, here's a secretary's desk. No, we wanted to spice that up a little bit, make it more of a unveiling as you walk through the spaces and enjoy all of the different finishes that we pulled together. So it really makes this space very unique.
We did one big wall with a sliding door. We also did a few doors with acid etch material, and those two are sliding. And we also did some shelves. We do custom materials, so we do custom doors, custom mirrors. We love the sliding door that we did with the metals, with the two fixed panels. It was really beautiful. It's really challenging, but we love the projects. We can do everything with glass. Everything is possible.
It's always a pleasure working for Mr. Valentine. We focus on quality over quantity. Majority of our jobs are mitered edges. We did the sinks as well as the cabinet cladding for the drawer fronts to be able to make it out of stone. It's always nice working with your supervisors, going back and forth and trying to find out the best way to make it work, give the look as well as the functionality. Yeah. Those integrated sinks have a removable drain cover, so the drain is hidden. It's elegant. It's very like seamless. You just have a little line for the water to drain. They're nice. Rob's bathroom, for example, that was challenging. Going back and forth with Marion about how to secure the cabinet drawer fronts onto the cabinet itself, because he was very particular about the 1/16 gap. The designers always like to challenge us, and we always welcome the challenge. We use the best product available, as you see behind me. It cuts a very clean 45 on granite, porcelain, quartz, quartzite, marble, any of the materials.
In the Design Center, we offer the ability for future homeowners to come in, sit down, touch and feel the technology, try to help set their expectations before that move-in date. We have the latest, including Ketra lighting from Lutron. We have a planar video wall. We have Crestron audio and video distribution, and other cool features as Sierra mirrors that have TVs built into them. And one of the cool features is human-centric lighting. So we partnered with Lutron as well to put Ketra lighting in this Design Center.
One of the things we do at Lutron, one of our latest innovations, happens in the LED lighting space with a product range we call Ketra. Light is everything in the home. Light provides mood, ambience, pleasance. All those things make a huge impact on the environment and how good the homeowner feels in their own home, in their own space. Ketra was created to provide the best LED lighting experience indoors. By being able to emulate the natural position of the sun and the sun's light, which is ultimately the benchmark, the criteria of what we're all trying to achieve, Ketra's been able to do that by providing a new technology that blends 17 million colors of light all at the same time without compromise, rendering colors, changing saturations and hues, and completely providing the space with a whole new look at the touch of a button. So the RWB Design Center allows clients to come in and experience all the things that Ketra has to offer in one space, whether it's lighting color temperatures, setting moods, providing an ambiance and a pleasance in the space. All those things can be done or accomplished in one location. Whether it's appliances, furnishings, cabinet, millwork, motorized shades and technology, all combined in one space to give the customer a feeling of what can be accomplished in their own home.
Just like what we do for a house, but it's in a commercial environment, but it has a residential approach. It's all commercially rated, everything that we did, but there is a sense of warmth and hominess to a space that you don't typically find in a commercial setting.
We are solely limited by the creativity that exists between your home builder, your systems integrator, and then whatever we can create. Display technology has changed over the years, right? When you think about building a home 20 years ago, you were putting in these massively heavy plasma televisions, right? Or at that time, but now even worse, it's a projector, and your home theater system was simply a projector and a screen. Now we have the ability to create, like you see behind us, these beautiful display systems where it's a fully seamless solution, but you can watch it at any time during the day. It can be, again, outside by your pool. It can be by the tennis courts. It can be inside in a high bright environment. It's a fully seamless, integrated, what we call a video wall solution. Planar has partnered up with ATI and RWB to give you the visual experience of being able to come in and see the technology firsthand. It sounds corny, but seeing is truly believing, right? You have to be able to see it to envision it within your space. And being able to partner in a design center allows you to not only come in and see the visual technology, but then also how it would integrate into your home. So you're seeing it in a true immersive environment where you can also pick out other details that would go in to complement the overall aesthetics of the living environment you're looking to create. We couldn't think of having better partners than ATI and RWB to join us in our mission of bringing this type of display technology into your home. We recognize that it is a true partnership. We value the position that we are in to be able to bring your creative energies to life in what is arguably one of the most important purchases that you will make, your home.
And his vision and our vision working together really make the synergy of us, every project that we do together, that much better. If that makes sense at all.
Put it in front of his face, because his face is what's
Way in front.
a little more on the more.
Kind of, you got it.
That's good.
Radio
That's good.
face. All right, last time. I'm looking where, as a rule?
ATI is proud to be part of the RWB Design Center and working with Robert Burridge and his expert media design team.